Hi, my name is Ken, and I've been working with Speedy Septic Service for over 20 years. And these are some of the most frequent questions that I've been asked when I pull into the customer's driveway. At a 1,000-gallon septic tank, which is the most common, and let's say 4 people live in the house, we like to pump about every 3.5 to 4 years. Every pump job that we do, we like to clean the tank so we can do an evaluation of the working components inside the tank, whether there be baffles, seams, integrity of the tank, cracks in the concrete. So we evaluate the system after every pump job to make sure that you don't have any problems in the future. When we get a call and the customer says that they don't know where their tank is located, our office staff can look up the county records and see if there's a permit. And if there's a permit, it usually shows where the tank is located. It makes the easiest way to access the tank in case you have a backup issue, some kind of a problem with a leaky tank, or maybe something not operating correctly in the septic tank. It's the quickest way to get into it, to get it pumped out. Also, a riser is code in today's standards. It brings the lid to grade. One thing you don't want to worry about is having to tear up your yard, locate the tank every time when you have a riser, which makes it very easy. I've gone on job sites to where the customer says, I've been putting additives in my tank every month. What's wrong? I explain to them, you have to remove everything that's in the septic tank. You can't just put additives in and expect it to go away. You have to remove everything that won't break down. And there's material in there the bacteria can't digest. So we remove it, and that's the best method I've experienced. What I run into the most is a 1,000-gallon septic tank. If you have a larger home, let's say maybe 5 bedrooms or more, then you may have a 1,500-gallon tank. But the most common septic tank that I run into is a 1,000-gallon. For a sale of a home, let's say, we always have to pump the tank completely empty so we can check out the integrity of the tank, the size of the tank, the components in the tank, to make sure that it's draining properly, that it is up to code. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope I've maybe helped you and educated you in how to keep your system operating as long as possible. And Speedy has the knowledge and the integrity to be able to provide that service.